Wichtig und richtig.
Jetzt sobald du deine einschaltest, hast du keine andere mehr.
Wahrscheinlich.
Danke. Oh fuck. Hier haben gerade das Zeichen geben zu gern. Fuck, I just gave the signal to start. I don't know where the people want to go, but we're going. Commits a suicide in Germany and they don't know how it is here in South Tyrol or Italy in general, but this is a serious topic. So please take this to heart. If you have any suicidal thoughts, please tell it to your familiars, friends, family, or maybe even some random stranger. Worst thing that you can say is fuck off. But best thing, he could become your best friend, your wife, your husband, or someone you can count on. So please take this serious. If you have friends with depression or something, please help them out. And yeah, enough with the serious talk. I hope we go a little bit faster. How fast we go? 100. Bruh, please, let's go a little bit faster. A little bit. Nope. That R1 is very nice. Also the Super Duke is quite nice. It's so boring as fuck. I hope we go to the Mendelpass or something like that. Let's see, how does the pressure work? Alright, 160 kilometers range, 84 degrees. Motor temperature 2.5 bar in the front, 2.8 in the back. Okay, it's really boring. Where are they? Where did everyone go? How the fuck did we lose people? How the hell? Where is everyone? Oh, you are here. Where's the Ducati boy? Sadly, I cannot stop. Maybe he stopped in order to ride a little faster. Oh, here is the one closing the gap. Maybe they will tell them something that we lost like 5-10 people. Hoi, wo sind die anderen hin? Also da ist niemand mehr hinter uns. Warte, ich höre irgendwie gerade richtig leise. Aber ich meine, sie sind einfach weggefahren und wo machen ihre eigene Runde. Wo sind alle? Magst du auch mal kurz stehen bleiben? Also Zwischenstopp sagst du? Achso, ja. Ja. Okay, let's see. Was sagst du?
Das ist schon wieder langsam.
Ja. Ist da die Strecke, was da vorbeifährt oder?
Ja, du kannst da durch Mendelpass fahren. Ja.
Ah, vom Mendel?
Ja.
Ach so. Okay.
Ja, das kennen wir schon.
Ach so. Okay, we got them. Was sagst du? Ja. Okay. Weil ein Vormal warst du weg. Ein Vormal warst du weg. Ja, du, ein Vormal habe ich dich nicht mehr gesehen. Ja. Alright, everything is okay now. I believe now we are not missing anyone. I hope I don't need to refuel, but today we will make the Mendel, then the Mendelpass, and then we return to Lana where we started. Once again I wanted to make a completely new road. I didn't know where we were going. I just found this posted on motors. At first I didn't know it was something against mental health. I just thought it was a normal ride out. But things got serious real quick. We have quite a few motorcyclists. Really nice. The Ducati is really a nice bike. By the way, do you see on his plate holder there's a lot of tape? Basically someone ran into him with another bike, a C750 or something like that, and snapped his plate holder in half, and now it's reduced to this. I don't really like being this far back because I know when the bus starts I want to go a little bit faster, and I know there are a lot of people here that are German and go a little bit slower in general, and they don't go 1 kilometer an hour above the limit. But yeah, but I believe this is the first time I comment the Mendelpass. I made like 20-25 videos of the Mendelpass and not one was commented live.